Purushottam Das Tandon, born on August 1, 1882 in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, was a prominent leader and social worker in the Indian freedom movement. Known as Rajarshi, Tandon played an active role in Gandhi's non-cooperation movement in 1921, leaving his advocacy career to fully commit to the freedom struggle. He made significant efforts to establish Hindi as the national language, presiding over the Hindi Sahitya Sammelan and promoting the Devanagari script. Tandon's political career included becoming the president of All India Congress Party in 1950, where he helped steer the party in a new direction. He was also dedicated to social service, working tirelessly for the upliftment of the poor and backward classes. In the recognition of his contributions, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1961. Purushottam Das Tandon passed away on July 1, 1962. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, born on July 23, 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, was a renowned Indian nationalist, teacher, social reformer, lawyer and freedom fighter. He launched two influential newspapers, Maratha in English and Kesari in Marathi, to criticize British rule and promote Indian culture. His bold articles led to multiple imprisonments by the British, including a significant arrest in 1908 on the charges of treason, resulting in his imprisonment in Mandalay Jail, Burma, from 1908 to 1914. Tilak's slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it," became a rallying cry for Indian independence. He passed away on August 1, 1920, coinciding with the start of the non-cooperation movement. In his honor, Gandhi initiated the Tilak Fund and the Government of India issued a postage stamp in 1956. Tilak's legacy as a pioneer of Swaraj remains a cornerstone of India's freedom struggle. The non-cooperation movement, launched by Mahatma Gandhi on August 1, 1920, marked a significant chapter in the Indian freedom struggle. The movement aimed to mobilize the public through non-violent civil disobedience against British rule. Indians were urged to boycott foreign goods, including clothes, withdraw students from government schools and colleges, and resign from government jobs. Many lawyers, teachers, and government employees left their positions in support of the cause. The Indian National Congress boycotted legislative assembly elections and organized large meetings and processions to rally public support. However, in 1922, the movement faced a setback when a violent incident occurred at Chauri Chaura, where a mob set fire to a police station, resulting in the deaths of several policemen. Adhering to his principle of non-violence, Gandhi suspended the movement following this event. The non-cooperation movement remains a pivotal moment in India's quest for independence.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी, एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On August 1, 2000, a devastating terrorist attack targeted the Amarnath pilgrimage. Two terrorists attacked the Shrinbods base camp in Pahalgam, located at an altitude of 13,888 feet, and opened fire on the pilgrims. The attack resulted in the death of 32 innocent people and left more than 60 injured. The terrorist organization Lashkar-e-Taiba claimed responsibility for the attack. In response, the Indian government and security forces implemented several new safety measures for the pilgrims, including enhanced protective patrolling, additional checkpoints, and stricter security protocols. On August 3, then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee met with the families of the victims, showing solidarity and support in the wake of tragedy. On August 1, 1953, the Government of India nationalized the country's major airlines, marking a turning point in Indian air transport. The Air Corporation Act, passed by Parliament in March 1953 and signed by the President on May 28, 1953, came into effect on this day. This led to the formation of Indian Airlines and Air India by merging 8 existing airline companies. The primary goal of nationalization was to make air transport accessible to all citizens as a public service, enhancing the comprehensiveness and accessibility of airline services. This decision also played a crucial role in national security and the development of the air transport sector. Indian Airlines was subsequently operated with support from the Indian Air Force and other government organizations. World Breastfeeding Week is celebrated annually from August 1st to 7, aiming to promote breastfeeding and improved child health worldwide. Established by the World Alliance for Breastfeeding Action in 1992, the week commemorates the Innocenti Declaration of 1990. The declaration was endorsed during the Breastfeeding in 1990s, a global initiative at the WHO Policy Makers Committee meeting from July 30 to August 1, 1990, supported by the United States Officials Institute and the Swedish International Development Authority. The week also advocates for the rights of women to breastfeed anywhere and anytime. According to World Health Organization, breastfeeding is one of the most effective ways to safeguard child health and save lives.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe. From the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts, find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now, Rhythm app, where every story matters.